In the wake of the company's substantial growth in 2021, and support from its customers to deliver futuristic technology solutions, OneOrigin expanded into a new, larger, brighter and prospective facility, in Bengaluru, Karnataka. The new office space, which is OneOrigin's Global Development Center, located within the heart of Bengaluru city, at Infantry Road, was inaugurated on the 28th of January, 2022, marking its growth and success for years to come. This grand opening ceremony was accompanied by several employees and their families, to celebrate the ever-growing upward trajectory of OneOrigin. The new office space nearly triples the previous office floor plan, enabling all employees to work on the same floor and recalibrate their work style. This new setup also embeds a state-of-the-art experience room that lets the employees and our customers to step into the future, beyond every known dimension. This transition to the new office space is full of opportunities. This is where we grow. This is where we inspire. And of course, this is where innovation comes to life. We are OneOrigin.